Hey everybody, welcome to CRAFTS. So it's the day before Memorial Day. I woke up this morning, I wanted to make some eggs. Well, here's the problem. This cast iron skillet I have is disgusting. And I wouldn't let the dog eat off of it. Really, I wouldn't. It's gross. But I'm a clean dude. So this is a quick tip on how to get your skillet ready to cook something nice for your significant other on your day off. Wake up, cook them some damn breakfast. Nice egg, throw a little sausage in there. So today, you're gonna need salt and a potato. The salt should be kosher, but anything coarse will work. The potato, it's a potato. There's nothing else to it. And of course your skillet that's dirty needs to be cleaned. Think of it this way. You can use the potato and salt to make breakfast for your loved one afterwards. Let's do it.
Okay, before you do anything, preheat your oven to 375. You're gonna pour some vegetable oil into the pan, cut that potato in half, and then use the potato to move that vegetable all around the pan, in the corners, in the crevices, whatever. You're gonna pour then some salt right on top of the pan, and then use that potato again to really mash that salt in there. You're gonna notice that the salt is gonna get pretty dirty, and that's what you want since you're trying to clean the pan. Go ahead and wash the pan in some warm soapy water. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put some more oil into the pan. Use a paper towel and move that oil all around. Set the timer on your stove for 1 hour. Put the pan in upside down. Put something underneath to catch the drippings of the oil. And walk away, man.
That's all, folks. After an hour, you pull your skillet out. Now it's dry, clean, and seasoned. You could say to yourself, why'd you bother doing this episode today? I don't know. I had some writer's block. Couldn't think of anything else to do. Plus I had a dirty skillet and I want to make breakfast. And now I got stuff to make hash browns with, so I can do whatever I want. It's the internet. Alright everybody, thanks again for stopping by and helping this CRAFTS episode limp across the finish line. Appreciate you sticking with me. Stay tuned. Next week I promise I'll think of something better. Until then, bye. Oh God. But I'm a clean dude. And I want to be dude. I want to be dude. Reseason it and get it brandy new. Ready to cook and ready. This is why you have to write stuff down. So this is a quick CRAFTS tip on how to get your skillet ready to grill it. Take 45. Hello there. Alright. Think of it this way. After you clean your skillet, you use the potato and salt to make breakfast. Or you can... I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm passionate. Potatoes! Potatoes!